In this lesson, we will write the equation of a circle in standard form. So this may be your first time ever with graphing circles, but the standard form of the equation looks like this. X minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. It's actually a very, very useful equation, the standard form, because the h and the k values are the center points of the circle, and the r value is, of course, the radius. So for instance, I have a circle that I've graphed here. The center is 4, -1, this blue point in the middle. The radius of the circle is 4, which we can just count if we go straight to the left, or straight up, or straight down, or straight to the right, etc. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x minus 4, so again, subtracting the x value of the center, y minus -1, and again minus negative made it plus, and then of course 4, which was my radius, squared made it 16. So that's the equation of my circle. So in something like this, and I'm going to apologize in advance that my circle is not going to look nice because I'm not writing right on my screen, but I'll do my best writing the equation of a circle with this center, -2, 3, and a radius of 5. So let's graph it first because that will be the most awful part. Is -2, 3 is my center. My radius is 5, which means I'm just going to count 5 units up. I'm going to count 5 units down. I'm going to count 5 units to the right. I'm going to count 5 units to the left, and then do my best to connect those points in somewhat of a circle. I feel confident that you can do a better job than that. The equation of the circle would be x minus -2, or x plus 2, quantity squared, plus y minus the y value, so y minus 3, quantity squared, equals the radius of 5 squared, which is 25. So that's the equation of the sort of circle that I just drew. Let's try another. Write the equation of a circle with center of 4, -3, right here, and it's tangent to the x-axis. So tangent may be a new word for us. Tangent, of course, means that the curve is going to go and touch the x-axis and then turn around. So it's just barely grazing the x-axis. So looking at the x-axis, which is of course this one, that means the circle is going to touch right here and then turn around and come back, which means the radius is going to be 3. So 3 units that way, 3 this way, 3 this way, and 3 this way. Connecting the dots. Oh, really bad also, just like last time. And then of course write the equation, which means x minus the x value, quantity squared, plus y minus the y value, y minus -3 made it plus 3. By finding that it was tangent, I found the radius was 3, 3 squared is 9. One for you to try on your own, so try this question, press pause, and then press play to check your work. 4, 0 is the center, right here. Radius is 2, so that's 2 in each direction. I'm going to try real hard to make this a better circle than my last ones. Oh, not too bad. The equation of the circle would be x minus the x value of 4 plus y minus 0 squared, so I'm just going to write that as y squared, equals radius of 2 squared, which is 4.